Let us look for Extrude under the Surface tab. If we open up Freeform, there we find it, Extrude. Notice that this is asking for whatever you want to extrude. So we can go to Params, and we already know how to select the curve, right-click, select the circle in this case, and connect it over here. Now, the extrude needs to know the direction in which you are going to extrude. We can also go and revisit vectors, the Z unit vector, connected, and notice that by default, this value is equal to 1. We can move this one just a little bit and create a numeric slider from 1 to 25. Connect, and now we can move the numeric slider and extrude this circle in the Z axis. So one more time, this is where you find the extrude component.